Want to record your PowerPoint presentations with crisp audio and even add webcam footage? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use OBS Studio to record your PowerPoint presentations with your voice, so you can create professional-looking videos for classes, YouTube, work meetings, or anything else you need. By the end, you'll be able to create high-quality screencasts, ready to share or upload anywhere. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up your OBS Studio sources, which is basically telling OBS what you want to record. So, when you open OBS Studio, look for the Sources box near the bottom. Click on the little plus button. This opens up a menu. Choose Display Capture. This tells OBS you want to record what's happening on your computer screen, which is how your PowerPoint will be captured. Give this source a name, like Screen Recording, just so it's easy to identify later. Hit OK. And now you'll see a preview of your screen in OBS. Next, let's make sure OBS captures your voice. Click the plus button in the Sources box again, and this time pick Audio Input Capture. This step is super important. Otherwise, your viewers won't hear your explanations. When you select Audio Input Capture, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose your microphone. If you're using a headset USB mic or just your laptop's built-in mic, pick the right one here. Naming it something recognizable helps, especially when you come back to this project in the future. If you want to add some personal touch and appear on camera, you're going to add your webcam. Just hit that plus button a third time and choose Video Capture Device. Select your webcam from the list, and you'll see yourself pop up in the OBS preview. You can even resize your webcam window, moving it to the corner so it doesn't cover your slides. Don't worry if your background isn't perfect. You can always tidy up later or just keep your video small. Now let's talk about settings. Go up to File, then Settings. Here you can customize where your recordings are saved, what format they use, like MP4 or MKV, and how your audio is managed. For example, if you're planning to upload to YouTube, MP4 tends to work best. Also, double-check your audio settings to make sure the microphone level is strong enough, but not so high that it distorts. If this part feels overwhelming, don't worry. You can always leave things on the defaults and get comfortable later. With OBS ready, turn to your PowerPoint. Open your presentation, but don't start presenting yet. This next detail is absolutely key to getting a clean recording if your slides have animations or transitions. In PowerPoint, click the Slideshow tab, then choose Set up Slideshow. Here, make sure you select Browse by an individual window. This lets PowerPoint run the slideshow inside a single window, which OBS can easily record. Otherwise, PowerPoint can jump to full screen, and OBS might not capture it correctly, kind of like trying to film a moving target. You're ready to record. In OBS Studio, click the Start Recording button near the bottom right. Once you see it's actively recording, switch over to your PowerPoint window and start your presentation. Go through your slides just like you would in a live meeting or class. Narrate, explain, take your time. If you need to pause a moment, that's totally fine. You can always edit later. Once you're finished, switch back to OBS and hit Stop Recording. And that's it. You've captured your presentation, complete with your voice and webcam if you wanted it. Your video file will be saved wherever you chose in the settings, ready to edit or share. If you had any hiccups, don't worry. A little practice makes this process second nature. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment below with your questions. I love answering and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Good luck with your recordings.